because they have given axis of the prism is inclined to HP at 40 degree and to VP at 30 degree. So for that angle line we have to draw like this. From their reference point I'll consider and draw an angle line for 30 degree. So inclination to VP they have given in the question, it is 30 degree. So you need to make sure the space which is to be constructed here, make sure that the second diagram when we try to copy, it should not merge with the X file line or it should not leave the page. Okay, like that you try to draw the angle line. You should be here careful. Okay, when you are drawing an angle line, I think I should take the angle line little lower so that the diagram can be copied easily. So now from their reference point you can mark an angle 30 degree. Okay, mark for angle 30 degree. So from that point I'll be considering the angle line little lower. Okay, as I mentioned, you should not merge with the X file or with the second diagram. Okay, draw an angle line for 30 degree. So this is having angle of 30 degree. Okay, now so we know that in the beta angle problem it is with respect to the axis we have to do. So there are two axes given, 50 mm front view, that is your first axis, and the second axis length is second position top view. So this is your second position. So we should be considering this length, okay, as your second length for cutting the arc and finding out the beta angle. This is your second length. Okay, so first axis length we have to use this one, that is 50 mm for cutting the arc. Okay, so this is your second length we should consider. Okay, second axis length. So first axis length given in the problem, it is 50. First you take a reference point. Okay, take a reference point, that is your O. Measure the length of 50 mm. Okay, from the compass and cut an arc. So here axis length is 50 mm. So measure using compass and cut the arc. And to avoid the confusion here, we will be giving this as O2. Okay, after cutting an arc, we should draw here locus line. Locus line we should draw here, where exactly it has cut it, right? So draw an locus line. We'll be mentioning this as locus line. Okay, now the second arc we should cut, that is from O to O1. From the second position top view, from there to there we should measure using compass and cut the arc. We need to cut the arc on the locus line. Okay, so cut it and you can mention this as O1. Now connect from O1 to O. Okay, and then extend and find out the beta angle here. So using the protractor, so here the beta angle we will be getting, it is exactly 41 degree we'll get here, angle of 41 degree. Okay, so here the beta angle, how much we got, it is nothing but angle of 41 degree.